PeopleSoft Expenses now includes Fluid Travel Authorizations that enable your employees to obtain pre-trip travel authorizations. Your employees can submit projected travel expenses for review and approval using a desktop, laptop, or mobile device. In this demonstration, let's see how to add a travel authorization request using a tablet and a smartphone. Start by logging into the system and tapping the Travel Authorization tile. The Travel Authorization search page enables you to add a new travel authorization or search for requests that are saved or not yet submitted. Filters on the page let you see the status of submitted travel authorizations. Tap the Add Travel Authorizations button to add a new request. Use the Travel Authorization page to enter basic information about the trip, like business purpose, description, travel dates, and location. The system populates some fields based on your previous entries. You can also use this page to adjust and cross-charge projected expenses across GL and project costing chart fields, like departments, fund codes, projects, activities, and more. The chart fields displayed here are configured using the employee privilege templates. Enter the starting and ending locations for your trip in the Travel From and Travel To fields. Enter the start and end dates of your trip in the Date From and Date To fields. The Fluid Travel Authorization feature lets your organization choose the expense types you want to use. For example, your organization may want fewer options to keep your user screens simple and reduce scrolling, especially on smaller screens like smartphones. Or, those organizations that want more detail can have more expense types shown. In the Details section of the Travel Authorization page, enter the projected amounts in each category. You can also enter the merchant if known. You can also adjust the accounting splits. On a device with a larger screen, tap the Accounting Default button. The Travel Authorization Defaults page lets you set a default accounting split for all transactions in the Travel Authorization record. You can split the expenses for your trip between multiple GL and project costing chart fields, like departments or cost centers, fund codes, projects, and activities, and more. The chart fields displayed here are configured using the employee privilege templates. You can override the defaults at the line level. Enter the accounting details in the GL Chart Fields and Project Chart Fields tabs. To save your accounting default entries, tap the Done button. The system transfers you back to the Travel Authorization entry page. When you access the Travel Authorization Defaults page on a smaller device like a smartphone, the user interface changes slightly. Tap the Accounting Default button to access the Travel Authorization Defaults page. The Travel Authorization Defaults page displays the summarized information for each split line along with the GL chart fields, PC chart fields, and the distribution percentage. You can drill into each line and update the default lines by selecting the summary line. Tapping the Cancel button discards your changes. To save your changes and return to the Travel Authorization entry page, tap the Done button. You can drill into each summary line by clicking on the line. Tap the first line of the accounting summary section. On the Travel Authorization Defaults page, you can update the default lines for new or pending reports. However, submitted or approved reports are view-only. To add a new default split line, tap the plus button. To delete a default split line, tap the minus button. The Cancel button cancels and deletes any new entries. To save new entries and return to the Travel Authorization Defaults page, tap the Continue button. Enter your accounting information and the percentage default split in the Accounting Details section, and then tap the Continue button. Tap the Done button on the Travel Authorization Defaults page. Enter all your projected travel costs and tap the Submit button to send your travel authorization for approval. After your travel authorization is reviewed and approved by your manager, you can book the reservation and take the trip. The Travel Authorization feature also allows you to import a travel authorization directly into an expense report or associate it with a future expense report. The PeopleSoft Fluid Travel Authorization feature enables you to quickly and easily create and submit pre-trip costs for approval anytime and anywhere, reducing costs and increasing your productivity. For more information, go to PeopleSoftInfo.com.